Hi, project managers. This is Ivy. I'm here to answer your questions. Some of you asked me about how to use project management tool Asana and how to streamline your project management work. I think this one would answer both questions. Let's take a look at Asana tool. So Asana has a free version for individual to get started with some project management functions. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the basic functions it provides for project managers. How do you set up your project, invite your team members, and create different views of your project tasks so you can better streamline and prioritize your project management day-to-day life. So let's go ahead and dive in. First thing you want to do is sign up an account and then validate your email address. Once you confirmed your email, then they will prompt you to enter your name, your role, ask you to select what kind of work to do. So go ahead and select project management, and then recommend for you will be project and process management type of functions. So go ahead and enter that. Set up your first project. Go ahead and just enter a task name, my first project. So then create a few sample tasks for it to create so your first project can get started. And then you can select your view, whether it's a list view, a board view, then it's a swim lane board view, or a timeline view based on the timeline you defined, or a calendar view. Honestly, for me, I like a board view, so I know what's to do, what's doing, what's done. So choose your own preference and then invite your teammates, whoever you're working with together, send them a team email. Then go ahead and get started. Now you're entering your project view here. So this is your project view. Once again, you can choose the type of views here, change it from list to board. Once at board view, let's say if you started to do one, you can move it and drag around to do next week. And you can click and change the due date and add more information to do, doing, and dependencies, priority level, status on track, and add any more comments that you need. And also you can do people that you invited in your team to be notified. So this is for collaboration. In this case, if you enter the comment, you will see there's a sign here. If the task is already completed or you want to raise attention, you can click like. So that applies to every single task. Calendar view is ranking it based on the calendar, based on the dates you entered, so give you a more sequential view. And then files is for the things that you attached that you want to draw attention that relate to the project. Inbox is where you get more notification of the comments or any of the updates about the project. Here you will see my first project. If you create additional projects, you will have a list of all of your projects here. And here are your teams, so you have a list of all your team members here. From here, you get an overview of how many projects are you currently working on, who you're working with. This function is very cool. There's a dashboard view, so you can track all the key metrics, such as how many tasks are completed, how many tasks are incomplete, how many tasks are overdue, and total what you have. So that I projected the graphs underneath, give you a very quick and easy way for overview or for generating any reports. Last but not least, you can set overall project status as at risk, where you can get a status update for the project by you, triggered on what project is going on, what are the next steps, and this way you can raise the proper attention to escalate the project status. So now with that being said, these are the basic task management and project-related function that Asana can provide. Of course, Asana has a lot more functions, but definitely go ahead and take your first 30 days free trial and play with it. Create a couple of projects and invite your friends as team members and play with the function, get familiar with all the basic project management functions, and also focus on how you can better leverage a tool as such to make yourself more efficient as a project manager so you can prioritize your tasks on the project. Good luck, have fun. Let me know if you guys have any other questions.